Welcome back, DIY Clubbers. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm glad you guys joined me for another week. This week's DIY was full of challenges only because I had to redo the design on one of the vases like 3 times, and I still did not think that it was up to the quality of this channel. So I made the executive decision to leave it out. So what you guys will see is that we started off with 3 vases that we were decorating, but because it just did not turn out like I wanted it to, we actually ended up only showcasing 2. Now that I am okay with, because these things do happen, and you know, sometimes the DIYs don't always turn out like you want them to. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So this week's DIY is really simple. We're just going to modernize some plain glass vases by adding designs using some regular tape and spray paint. All you do is take the time to pre-plan your design, tape out the areas that you don't want the spray paint to hit, like this one, and then you'll take every vase outside that you're going to do and spray paint it and let it dry. So this is a really simple DIY, and it's up to your imagination on how to decorate the vases. This one was just a simple one. I wanted it to have rings. This one, you'll see at the end, turned out really pretty. And remember, as we discussed the last time we spray painted something, go ahead and tape off the area that you don't want the spray paint to hit, because if there's like wind blowing or anything like that, the particles can get into those areas. So just make sure that you take the time to tape off the area that you don't want the spray paint to hit. Now this vase did not come out well. I actually redid this vase 3 different times and didn't like any of the designs. So what you'll end up seeing after the spray painting is done, I only will end up with 2 vases because, like I said, I redid that 3rd vase 3 different times with 3 different designs, and I did not like any of them. And so I actually am waiting for it to dry from design number 3, and I will post a picture later on what I end up with that 3rd vase. But for this DIY, we started out with 3 vases and we're ending up with 2, and I'm okay with that because sometimes DIYs do not go as planned, and it's just a part of the game. And here are the finished 2. I really would have liked to have a trio with this DIY this week, but like I said, the 2 that came out, I really like the design and I really like how they came out. They are very modern and classic in my opinion, and they would look nice in any room of your house. And so I thank you guys for joining me for another DIY, and I hope you try this project out. And if you decide to, remember to tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see what designs you guys will come up with of your own. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the designs on the 2 vases that we did get to complete this week, and I will say that I am satisfied and happy with them. I really like how modern and classic they look. They're very sleek, and I'm happy. I'm proud of them, and I hope that you guys decide to make these designs or make some designs of your own and share them with me on Instagram. Remember, haiku_creations is my IG account, so head on over there and follow me. I'd love to kind of cross my audiences from either just being on IG to being on YouTube or vice versa, because we want to continue to grow and get bigger. And I want to see if we can get this video to, let's say, 60 likes. So make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and make sure you guys will subscribe to the channel. I apparently cannot talk this week. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because I have some more content that is coming up that I feel like will really excite you guys, and I want to take you guys along for the ride. I really appreciate you guys joining me. Remember, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and I hope you guys always stay creating, no matter what kind of ups and downs happens to occur during your DIY process. Just keep creating and keep going. All right, I'll see you guys next week.